So where is Clubhouse and how do you use this app? But the real question is, will it be helpful for you to network with people if you are searching for a job? This is what you will figure out from this video. Stay tuned and let's get into it. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Salam Yagi from salamcareers.com. I help recent graduates find their job and be successful in their early career. And if you haven't heard of this app at all, or if you have, Clubhouse in a nutshell is a new social media app that is voice only. And it was launched last year, but it attracted a ton of attention recently. The application tries to resemble a real-life panel discussion where there are people on stage, a moderator, and speakers, and people off stage who are usually listeners. The app is only available on iPhone and it's by invitation only. But according to a recent blog post by Clubhouse, their goals for 2021 is to make it available on Android and also to remove the invitation only feature and be open to the public. So that's a summary of the app. Let's go into a tutorial. So if you open up the app, this is the Explorer page where most of the rooms are available for you to join. And if you scroll down, it will be usually the rooms are based on your interests that you select when you first started. Let's say, for example, I want to join this room, LinkedIn Masterclass Job Search. If you join the room, and if you click on it and join it, you will see that first of all, we can't record and share the audio of this room. It's against the community guidelines. And as you can see here, the first person is the moderator. And it's the person who creates the room and moderates the conversation. The rest of the users around this person are the people who are on stage or speakers who can actually speak. And if you scroll down, you will see for any person speaking, there will be a circle around their avatar to tell you that this person is speaking. If you keep scrolling down to the bottom, you will see all the people who are listening or in real life who are off stage. And this is basically what you will find in any room. You can raise your hand, click on this button and ask for permission to speak up or to ask any question. And you can add people by clicking on the plus sign. Finally, if you want to leave, you just click on leave quietly and you leave the room. Another feature of the app is, of course, you can search for clubs or for users. Let's say, for example, I want to search for any club related to careers. You just type that in the search bar and then you see a variety of clubs. You just click on any of them and you can follow to see if they are going to have any rooms in the future. If you go over to my account, you will see that I am a part of this club called Still Figuring It Out. And if you are on Clubhouse and you want to follow me, join this club. I try to be on most of their conversations and try to provide feedback as much as I can. I was in one of their discussions 2 days ago. It was really an interesting one. So if you're on Clubhouse, make sure to join this club. Another thing you can do also on this app is that you can click on the calendar here that you see at the top, and you can see any future events that are going to happen in the near future. And that's basically it. Now, to answer the real question, will this be useful for you if you are searching for any job? Now, in my opinion, the best and the most powerful application or app is LinkedIn. This is the best way to network with people. Yes, on Clubhouse, there are some interesting discussions. Like if you join some of those career discussions, you might hear interesting information, and I recommend that. But don't make it your main channel searching and connecting with people. I recommend to focus on LinkedIn, network with people over there, use email, phone calls. Try to stick to those tools. Those are more beneficial in my opinion. And make sure to check my other videos where I talked about job search strategies for recent graduates and also how to write a perfect resume every single time. And that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it. If you do, hit the like button and consider subscribing. I post regularly. And until I see you next time, I wish you all the best.